Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. If you are looking for a profitable keyword, then this video is only for you. If you are not finding any profitable keyword from your book with free, and in this video I want to show you how to find a profitable keyword from Amazon search results. So, if you are looking in my channel in the very first time, please do subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family. So, guys, let's go Amazon Marketplace, and here we can want to find out coloring book keyword like unicorn coloring book. So first of all we can search only niche, then you can search what type of book like logbook, planner, notebook, coloring book, activity book, mages, versus search and search. So first of all you can search only niche. So our niche is unicorn. These are suggested from Amazon keyword, and we can download here, and then we can search coloring book. Then we can search unicorn coloring book. Here for here a lot of keywords from Amazon search results, then we can download. So then after downloading the keywords, here a lot of 40 keywords. So this is very highly profitable keywords from Amazon search results, and in every day a lot of a lot of people can search from come with Amazon these keywords. So these are highly profitable keyword. So if you have liked my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with you more ideas about Amazon KDP business and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then.